Are you wanting to find all the actively foreclosing properties that are in your area through the Matrix? Well, guess what? I can help you out here. Yes, you don't have to go to the courthouse steps on all of them. Some of them are not going to show up on side the Matrix, but we can at least get you a little bit of a head start from going to the courthouse steps. So what do you need to do? Let's dig in. First of all, we're going to go inside of our search bar right here and go to public records. When we click on public records, then we're going to go to the map search. Why we want to do a map search? Because it makes it a little bit easier to see everything that's got going on. So I'm going to go in here, and then I am just going to draw a big radius around the area of people and properties that I might be interested in, that areas I serve. So right now you see it says over 5,000 listings. What's that mean? It means that there's 5,000 actual addresses because we're not in the foreclosure process yet. So we hit the criteria and go to foreclosure indicated active foreclosure. We click on it and look, we're down to 268 properties inside that big old radius that are actively in foreclosure. Now, when you click on that, that's going to give you all the properties that are in foreclosure, whether it's bank owned or if it's owner occupied or if they don't even know. So right now we can also go in and start narrowing things down to look in different areas and different attributes. So I could say, I only want to look at 3 bedrooms plus. So I'll go 3+ right here. Now I'm down to 88 properties. Or if I wanted something that's all newer construction. So I'm going to go 2010 plus, so there's only 4 of those out here. So how do I find the addresses though of everything? I'm going to click this and then I'm going to go owner occupied because I want to help these people actually save their property from going through the foreclosure, save that foreclosure deed going on their name and all those bad credit and things like that they might occur if they let it go all the way through. So I'm going to hit owner occupied and hit yes. So these are properties that people are still living in. So there are 23 in this area. So I click right here. And here's all 23 properties that are owner occupied that are actively in foreclosure at this moment. Now, again, sometimes this data is wrong. So you want to research these people before you're calling them and sending them letters saying, I can help you out. Make sure you do your research. Sometimes it can be delayed or that they saved their property from foreclosure. And you're going to get a real nasty gram if you do that. So from here, we click results because this is the only way that we can get the address list. All right, so we've clicked results right here and we've got all these. Now we've got 23 that are actively going in foreclosure. So how do I get this list? I'm going to take this and select all, and then I'm going to go down here to export. When I go to export right here, I'm going to go to owner information name and I'm going to hit export. So after I hit export, it sends me the CSV file, and that allows me to actually put them inside of a spreadsheet of some sort, pull them up to see how I can get their information onto an envelope or a letter or a postcard, things like that I might be willing to send them, or even stop by and talk to them if I've got that kind of gut. I'm not going to suggest that for a lot of people out here, but if you got those kind of kahunas, go for it. But click right here, go to open, pull back up my CSV file, and yes, I am in Google Sheets. So I click right here, there we go, and voila, we're going to have everything in a nice pretty spreadsheet so we can send this to a label maker or just type it out, copy and paste it onto an envelope, things like that. It does give you all these things. Again, I would highly suggest researching each one of these before you send them a letter. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. I'll be glad to do any more videos of what I would do from here, things like that, just to be able to circle prospect a little bit more, maybe get you a couple pre-foreclosure listings in the meantime. Good luck.